How to delete a page on Google Docs. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily delete a page. So let's just jump right in. Open up Google Docs first on your web browser. Go ahead and search for docs.google.com. Hit enter, and you'll be taken directly to your Google Docs. Now from here, you could just create a blank document. I already have a document there, so I'm just going to go ahead and open that. So here is the document. I can just click on it to open this doc. Now, if there are multiple pages to your Google Docs, so for example, if I just create new pages by pressing Control plus Enter, I have 3 pages right here. I can do the same thing here and create another page as well. So I have 4 pages. Let's say if I want to delete the middle page right here. What I'm going to do is, if my cursor is down here, I can just keep pressing backspace and then it would automatically go to the top of the page. Now you can just hit backspace, and as you can see here, the page has been removed down to 3. So if I want to remove the middle page again, I can click the cursor there. Or if the cursor is anywhere else, what you could do is simply go ahead and press Control plus backspace. Keep pressing that, and then now I'm down to 2 pages. So that's how you basically delete a page in Google Docs. I can press Control plus backspace. And now I'm down to only 1 page after I just delete the other one. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.